What's up, ladies and gentlemen, YouTube, everybody out there? It's Phil 20. I'm back. Check this out. I've got something that's pretty cool. Let me be absolutely clear with this. I didn't pay for it. I wasn't paid, and I'm not going to be paid. It's not a paid promotion. This is just a video of a review. Being that that's said, wait to the end of the video and you can get information on how to go ahead and get a coupon to get 30% off of this meter. So let's get started. Assuming you want to buy it. But I deal with electricity all the time. Like, for instance, this is the kind of stuff that I got conglomerated up in the shop. I mean, it's just wires hanging everywhere. I check voltages, I check currents, I check this and that. I got a solar array I do testing on all the time. You know, I love playing with electricity. I'm not suggesting that everybody does, but if you need this tool, it's a very valuable item. Let's get started on my review. I put it underneath the shop table. This is my welding table. Grinding, welding, etc., whatever. Does it matter? It's designed to destroy cell phones and everything else if you put stuff near it. This is a shop table. This table gets metal cut. There's metal on the floor. Been cutting it, making some stuff. I didn't make this. I'm making one similar to it, but I wouldn't be proud to say I made this. So, this is about the meter. This meter's a good meter. I have been putting metal dust all over it. It's got silicone wires. It's real silicone wires. It's really high quality wires. It's got a temperature thermistor that comes with it. It comes with two cases, mind you. If you want one that's soft shell, I love the soft shell case because it fits in my tool bag better. They got the hard shell, which is real rugged and tough. I mean, you can't hurt this. It's in good shape. But I like the soft shell better. Personal preference. It comes with a thermistor, two cases, long enough terminal leads, and the meter. This meter can do alternating current amps up to 600, direct current amps up to 600. And if you're not doing that high current, you can do 60 amps, up to 6 amps, alternating current and direct current. And you got voltage. You can do direct current or alternating current. Pretty much every meter has that. And this is pretty cool. It tells you how many hertz you got. So if you wanted to find out if you've got 50 hertz on an inverter, you just plug it up with the terminals and you'll find out. It's got diode testing. It's got capacitor testing. It's got ohms resistance testing. And it's got continuity testing. It's got Fahrenheit and Celsius temperature readings. Like I said, it's got a K-type thermocouple in it. You take these plugs out, you plug the K-type thermocouple in there, you've got a temperature sensor. And then you got a LowZ. I believe that might be low pass filter. It's something I haven't heard of. It's not really that important to me. What's important to me is this thing is tough. I've dropped it, I've hung it, I've dropped it, and I've hung it, I've dropped it, and I've hung it. And I've put metal dust filings off of grinders and more grinders, saws, you name it, I've been doing it. This thing has got a good case. If it didn't, it would have never held up against all the metal dust. This thing's been in the floor for a month under the shop. It's tough enough to get kicked around, beat up, and metal dust kicked on. and it's tough enough to keep doing the job afterwards. I mean, 1 month of me kicking stuff around, I was pretty serious about these tests. Torture testing. I mean, that's what I did. I'm happy with it. It does the job, and the screen, it is so much clearer than before. So if you want to see it through the normal light, you also can see it through a backlight. So if you're in a crawl space, you can still use the job to get the job done. I mean, use the meter to get the job done. So I'm real happy with it. Again, I wasn't promoted, but you can click on the link in the description, but you have to enter the code that I have right here in order to get the 30% off. So thank you for watching. This is a simple review of a torture test electric meter. I love testing stuff. This is my passion. I just go around testing all kinds of stuff at the shop. And right now, I'm feeling really well, so I was able to get you a video out. And I'm really excited for KAIWEETS. They're bringing out better, high-quality meters every time they send me one. They've sent me one before, and they sent me a power supply. I like that power supply. I'd like to have one that goes up to 130 volts, from 0 to 130 volts DC. That would be fantastic. But unfortunately, I don't know if they make one. But that one that they made, it's been real good. I've used it. It's been a fantastic one. They make good quality stuff. Nothing they've sent me has broken yet. So I believe that this one will last at least 2 or 3, 4 years. But for the price, you can't beat it. You cannot beat this. I mean, it's got capacitance. It's got temperature sensing. It's got current. It's got ohms. It's got diodes, which is something rarely used by me, but other people do. It's got continuity. I mean, capacitance, continuity, voltage testing, and temperature sensing is very important for a heat and air conditioning technician. It's got it. Well, this is Philip 20, letting you go with solar power, electricity, and electronics. Peace out.